Hello everyone, it's me Jebby from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to make your Samsung smartphone with One UI remind you for the tasks to do after every minute. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the reminder application and now just create or add your new reminder by clicking on this plus button. Now add any task name and click on this tick mark. Now click on this reminder that you have created. Now click on this edit. Now just click on this time. Now select your respective time and day to remind you. Now just click on this done. Now just click on this symbol. Now you can select the respective time. So I will select this every 1 minute. You can increase or decrease this number also by clicking on it and selecting if you want it to after every 2 minutes, 3 minutes. So I'll just keep it as it is, and below you can see forever or specific number of times or until. I'll just keep it as it is. Just move back, and once you're done with your settings, just click on this save. So now you can see respective time. So let us wait for a few minutes and check if it really gonna work or not. So let me minimize it. So now you can see the first reminder showing up. So let us wait for a few more minutes. So you can see here after 1 minute it's showing up again. So it's working perfectly. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily make your Samsung smartphone with One UI remind you for the tasks to do after every minute very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.